Come to a comfortable seated position with an elongated spine so you have space to breathe. Bring up your right hand and drop in your pointer finger and middle finger in toward the palm and have your palm face the nose. For this variation, your thumb will close off your right nostril and your ring finger will close off your left nostril. If that variation doesn't feel good for you, instead use your thumb and pointer finger. For this variation, the thumb closes off the right nostril and the pointer finger closes off the left nostril. So once you have the variation that feels good for you, take in a full breath. Let it go. Close off your right nostril, breathe in through the left nostril. Close off both nostrils, gently suspend the breath, open the right nostril, exhale through the right. Keep the hand here. Inhale through the right nostril. Close off both nostrils. Suspend the breath for a moment. Exhale through the left nostril. This is one round. Let's keep going. Inhale through the left. Gently suspend the breath. Close off both nostrils. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Close off both nostrils. Exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Suspend the breath. Exhale through the right. Inhale through the right. Exhale through the left. Inhale left. Suspend the breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Pause the breath. Exhale left. Inhale left. Suspend the breath. Exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Let's do 2 more cycles without cueing. Keep going. Once you've exhaled through the left nostril, release the hand and sit for a moment in meditation. And that is one of the variations of alternate nostril breath, Nadi Shodhana. You can do it as often as you need and for as long as you need. Namaste.